Hello everyone, welcome to my first video in my YouTube channel. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nadya Almira. I'm 20 years old. I'm one of members in 4AA class. I'm in accounting department, State Polytechnic of Sriwijaya. Okay, so today I'm going to make one of my favorite foods, which is fried rice. So if you guys feeling interested with the ingredients and process to make fried rice, stay tuned and enjoy the video. The ingredients needed are onion and garlic, anchovies, egg, sausage, soy sauce, salt, chili, and cooking oil. The last is rice. Besides ingredients, I also need frying pan and spatula. So here's the step to make fried rice. Blend the chili, onion and garlic. Cook the anchovies and sausage. The anchovies in a pan, added with the onion, garlic, and chili, the blend. After you smell the aroma, fry the egg. Pour the rice into the pan. Stir all the ingredients till blend and add salt with the soy sauce as much as you like. Okay guys, serve for the fried rice. Alright guys, the fried rice is ready to serve. Let's try it! Delicious. Okay guys, ta-da! The taste is good and I think that's enough portion for one person. Thank you. Okay guys, I think that's all the video. Don't forget to try at home. Good luck, stay healthy and stay safe. See you.